Okay, friends, I want to help you solve this issue of your content isn't earning money. If you're experiencing this on your dashboard, these are few steps to fix this. This is an issue, you should not overlook it, okay? If you overlook this, it may give you further issues on monetization. So but first, before I go to show you how to fix this, click on monetization. We want to be sure that this page is active and there is actually no pending issue. You see where we have profile status, click on it, and then you can see that this profile recommendation is active, monetization is active, everything is active. This profile actually has no issue. Okay, so the next thing we'll be now doing is to go over to solve this monetization issue. So you're gonna come out of here completely, and then you're gonna go to your profile, click on your profile, and then you're gonna click on your professional dashboard. Okay, so you have clicked on your professional dashboard. The next thing you'll be doing is click on where you have approximate earnings, taking you to your entire content, especially your recent content that has made you to have that issue. So you click on it. You see where we have see all, see all. Follow my arrows, you click on see all. Okay, so why did you have that issue? Why you had that issue is that there is one of your videos, one of your contents, right? It could be video, it could be picture that had given you that issue, right? So it could be copyrighted issue or reused content or whatever, but there is a violation, there is an issue there. That is why you are seeing that. So what you need to do is to scroll through. How you are going to find such content that has given you that issue on your monetization is to scroll through till you find where we have monetization limited. Can you see this? So I made this post few days ago, I think 2 days ago. So this is the post that had given me that issue. So what you'll be doing is to click on that post, click on where you have that monetization, okay? And then you go and click the body of that video. It is gonna take you to where the video is, and simply you click on the top right horizontal 3 dotted lines, and then you click on delete. That is how to fix it. You have to delete, okay? So that is deleted. I'm going to come back to where I have other content to ensure no other monetization limited is shown. Every other stuff are my original content. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now we are going back to the professional dashboard again to see if that issue has disappeared. Of course, it's not going to disappear immediately until you refresh. So we are going back. You click on the top of your profile, and then you click on professional dashboard, and then you click on your weekly progress. You can see your content isn't earning money, is still here. Do you know why? It is there because you haven't refreshed this timeline yet. So what we do is to refresh this page. So how do you refresh your page? You hold down your phone from top and drag it down. It's as simple as that. Did you notice that my profile is earning money now? Do you notice that the was that a brown or yellow dots we had there, everything has turned back to green? Did you notice that it is now written your profile is earning money? It's as simple as that. If this video is helpful, if you're watching on YouTube, please do well to subscribe, like, share. If you're watching on other platforms like Facebook or TikTok, please do same. Give me your support. And this video is actually going to help someone to fix this equally. Thank you for staying with me, and see you in my next video. This is Coach Samantha 001.